Hey there, BMX enthusiasts. Today we're going to take a look at the Syzygy 20-inch Freestyle BMX bike. If you're in the market for a stylish and durable bike that's perfect for riders over 6 years old, then this is the bike for you. The Syzygy features a strong high-10 steel frame, giving you reliable support and long-lasting comfort, whether you're hitting the streets, park, or trails. With a 25 top tube length, this bike is perfect for riders between 4'7" and 6'1". But it's not just about durability, the Syzygy is all about fun. With a 170mm 3-piece crank, aluminum U-brake, and hand brake levers, you'll have precision speed control when popping off curbs or hitting the ramps. And with a forged head tube and hidden headset, this bike not only performs well, but looks amazing too. The reliable wheelset features 20x 2.4 tires mounted on aluminum single-wall 36H rims, with a 3/8 female axle front hub and 9T cog sealed bearing cassette rear hub. Plus, the Syzygy comes with 4 cool BMX pegs included. And the best part? This bike is easy to assemble with 85% of it already put together, and it comes with assembly tools. Plus, it's backed by a limited lifetime warranty, giving you peace of mind. So if you're ready to hit the streets and show off your skills, the Syzygy 20-inch Freestyle BMX bike is the perfect choice for you. Check out the link in the description to get yours today. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more awesome bike reviews and content. Happy riding!